Thank you for purchasing the Reusable Vinyl Balloon 5-Balloon Cluster from Great American. Your balloon cluster kit includes 5 17-inch balloons, 5 regular-size balloon cups, 5 40-inch regular balloon stems, 1 cluster pole with 2 balloon branches, 1 20-inch fiberglass ground spike, and 1 aluminum plate. You may also need a hammer or rubber mallet if you're using a ground spike. First, install the ground spike using a hammer or rubber mallet to drive the spike approximately 10 to 12 inches into the ground as straight as possible to ensure it can support the weight of the balloon cluster. Next, slide the circular plate over the top of the ground spike and allow it to be flush with the ground. Now to assemble the balloons, attach the balloon cup to the balloon stem. Line the balloon cup with the grooves on the balloon stem and snap it in place. Repeat this process for all 5 balloon stems and cups. Next, let's add the balloons. Line up the silver push pin at the very bottom of the balloon with the hole on the bottom of the balloon cup and lock it in place. Repeat this process for all 5 balloons. Next, remove the air plug from the top of the balloon. You can inflate the balloons using a handheld air pump or an air compressor with a tapered fill nozzle. Place the air plug back in the top of the balloon and repeat this process for all 5 balloons. Next, slide the adjustable branches on the pole and twist to tighten. Now you can slide the cluster pole onto the spike. For more placement options, you can also use a weighted base to hold your balloon cluster. Finally, to attach the balloon stems to the pole, align the grooves at the bottom of the balloon stem with the pegs on the adjustable branch. Twist them together until they lock in place and repeat this process for all 5 balloons. Your balloon cluster is now fully assembled and ready for use. To complete the look, don't forget your marketing flags. The red Swirl wave flag kit and Bandit sign are our best-selling flag and sign and are available in several advertising messages to grab your prospects' attention. Visit us today at www.gabpproperty.com for this and more property management products.